Ever found yourself drowning in spreadsheets, trying to reconcile business expenses, and wondering if there's a better way to manage your finances? Maybe you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone trying to juggle multiple income streams. You've probably heard of Relay, the platform that promises to simplify business banking. But here's the burning question: is Relay actually a bank? Or is it something else entirely? That's what we're diving into today. Because let's face it, the world of fintech is evolving rapidly, and it's easy to get lost in the jargon. We're going to break down what Relay is, how it works, and whether it deserves to be called a bank. To understand Relay, we need to step back and look at the traditional banking system. For decades, businesses relied on brick-and-mortar banks for their financial needs. Think about it: physical branches, tellers, complex paperwork, and often hefty fees. Traditional banks provide essential services like checking accounts, savings accounts, and loans. But they can also be slow, cumbersome, and frankly, not always designed for the agility of modern businesses. Enter fintech. Financial technology companies are revolutionizing the way we handle money. They leverage technology to offer innovative solutions, often focusing on specific pain points that traditional banks overlook. This includes streamlined online platforms, automated tools, and a focus on user experience. So, where does Relay fit into this picture? Relay positions itself as a business banking platform. But it's crucial to understand that Relay itself is not a bank. Instead, it partners with established FDIC-insured banks to provide its banking services. Specifically, they work with Thread Bank and Evolve Bank and Trust. This distinction is crucial. Think of Relay as the user interface, the software, the experience layer on top of the actual banking infrastructure. They've built a platform that's designed to make managing business finances easier. This includes features like multiple checking accounts. Relay lets you create multiple checking accounts, each with its own debit card. This is incredibly useful for separating funds for different purposes, like operating expenses, payroll, and taxes. Automated bookkeeping integrations. Relay integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero, automating the process of reconciling transactions and keeping your books up to date. Team access. You can grant access to your team members, allowing them to manage specific accounts or perform specific tasks. No monthly fees. Relay emphasizes transparency, and many of its core features are offered without monthly fees. Debit cards for team members. You can issue debit cards to employees with customizable spending limits. ACH and wire transfers. Relay facilitates both ACH and wire transfers. The key takeaway here is that while Relay provides banking services, the actual deposits are held by their partner banks, which are FDIC insured. This means that your funds are protected up to the FDIC insurance limits, just like they would be at a traditional bank. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Why not just use a traditional bank? Why choose Relay? For many small business owners, the answer lies in the specific features and user experience that Relay offers. Traditional banks often lack the specialized tools that businesses need to manage their finances efficiently. Simplified bookkeeping, integrating with accounting software is a huge time saver. Relay's automated bookkeeping features can significantly reduce the amount of time you spend on manual data entry. Granular control over spending. The ability to create multiple checking accounts and issue debit cards with custom spending limits gives you greater control over your cash flow. Focus on small businesses. Relay is specifically designed for small businesses and freelancers. This means that its features and support are tailored to the unique needs of this demographic. Transparency and ease of use. Relay emphasizes transparency in its pricing and terms, and its platform is designed to be user-friendly. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Relay, like any fintech platform, has its limitations. For example, no physical branches. If you prefer in-person banking, Relay might not be the right fit. Limited loan options. While Relay focuses on business banking, it doesn't offer the same range of loan products that traditional banks do. Online-only support. Customer support is primarily online, which might not be ideal for everyone. Dependence on partner banks. because Relay relies on partner banks. Any changes or disruptions at those banks could affect Relay's services. So, is Relay a bank? Technically, no. But it's a powerful platform that provides banking services through its partnerships with established banks. It's a modern solution designed for the modern business owner. Let's summarize the key differences. Relay, a fintech platform that partners with FDIC-insured banks to provide banking services. Focuses on streamlined online experience, automated bookkeeping, and features tailored to small businesses. Traditional bank, a financial institution with physical branches that offers a wide range of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and loans. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're a small business owner looking for a streamlined, tech-savvy banking solution, Relay might be a great option. If you prefer in-person banking and a wider range of loan products, a traditional bank might be a better fit. It's important to do your research and compare different options before making a decision. Consider factors like fees, features, customer support, and your own comfort level with online banking. The fintech landscape is constantly evolving. Companies like Relay are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of banking. They're demonstrating that technology can be used to create more efficient, user-friendly financial solutions. We've covered the core questions. We've looked at what Relay is, how it works, and how it compares to traditional banking. We've also addressed the crucial point of their partnerships with FDIC-insured banks. Understanding the distinction is vital. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.